Silver Days, welcome, Aloe. Bro, hop on the perpetual protocol train before it's too late? No way. Is it moving again? Yo, just double topped. Yeah, no, I'm not jumping in on it. It's making a lower high. Why did it dip so much though? This gives me hope for OXT. Because that's exactly where OXT what happened to OXT. It just started never mind. Not even. Because this capitulated from 9 cents to 1 cent 70. And this capitulated from, yeah, I guess 2.5 cents. So yeah, never mind. Wow, this is bearish. Also little to no volume. Not even artificial volume. Just no volume at all. Wow. Wow. Perpetual was a steeper. That's mostly why I was more bullish on it. And the market cap is tiny. Oh my god, yeah. Yo. Is it getting, let me actually like look this up. What coins are being delisted from Coinbase? Yeah, we impacted assets, Blast, Vara, and Zeta Chain. Isn't Vara still on Coinbase though? That's weird. Wait, we already talked about that though. Hmm. Oh, there we go. Coinbase delist certain tokens in 2026. Let's see. Coinbase announced sudden delisting decision for 25 alts. Oh my god. Wow, guys. Trading for the following perpetual futures will be suspended on Coinbase effective March 16th. So we got Met. I didn't even know Met. What is this? I guess, yeah. I didn't even. What is this coin? Aloe says the volume is actually pretty good for the market cap. It got delisted from Binance, pretty sure. Got it. Okay, that makes sense. 3 point. Yeah, I mean, let's see if this lasts. I guess you have been. No, 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 no. The volume died here. Look, the volume was like 300,000. This is a temporary spike in volume. Coinbase ever oddly delists on spot exchange? Yeah, because they're just a bunch of scammers. Raz. B3. Didn't they just release this coin? B3? Yeah, look at this. Just another rug pull. Yeah, B3 listed on Coinbase International Futures, and then Coinbase is being delisted, or is delisting it now from futures. Wow. Damn, 2 people watching bullish. Yeah, dude, we only have 2 people here. That's so bad. Yeah, our viewers right now is 2 people. How crazy is that? 2 likes on the live stream. I don't care. I'm still gonna live stream. It sucks. You already know, man. It sucks, but I have to. I have to live stream, so I'm going to live stream. Even if I'm sitting here, literally like doing nothing, I don't care. I have my other screen up, and I'll just check the chat. At least like I can stay consistent and still do, still be live for an hour a day just to put in the work. So we could also just look at the crypto bubbles and make videos on that too. Like, oh, what is there to look at now? Let's see. Yeah, like Bard. What the heck is this? Lombard. It's up 51%. Should make a video on this. Get some subscribers. Taking a look at Lombard on the live stream. So looks like Lombard is having a very nice move. I mean, it came out, it went to 0, and now you're coming back. So congratulations. This is a new coin. So there's a lot of potential right now. I think this is a Coinbase coin. It is. So just keep in mind that right now the target's on the upside. I'm not using this Wix. So the target's on the upside is $2.73. That is the next all-time high target. And as long as Lombard can stay over this area of support with any sort of correction or pullback, then you are looking at a continuation to all-time high. However, I would say that if you do come back and break this area, then you are looking at a bigger move back down to the lows. So this is kind of critical area of support right now, $1.11 to $1.32. I will keep you updated. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. And thank you so much for your support. Did you live stream yesterday? Yeah, I did. It was late though. It was, what day was it yesterday? It was, yeah, Wednesday. What did I do? Oh yeah, I did. I did live stream, but it was late. It was like 7:30. I even actually said you were sleeping because I think we looked at perpetual or a coin that you talked about. I know it wasn't Vara. I'm never gonna live down Vara. We're gonna always have that's gonna be our thing. Yeah, I told the live stream the story about how I bought Vara and I didn't listen to my own advice and I was up a couple $100. Do you remember? I was like, oh, I'm up, and I didn't sell it, and I ended up selling it at a loss. Like it was a little bit, but I still ended up selling it at a loss, and it's like, dude, come on. Zora Root. Yeah, they're having nice little pumps. Ooh, look at that. Taking a look at Zora on the live stream. So there's a lot of updates that we need to do from the last time that we looked at Zora. So as we previously stated, once Zora broke the macro area of support at 4 cents 70, the next macro area of support was live, which in this case is 1 cent 40 to 2 cents 30. So keep in mind, it is technically in support right now. And right now you do have previous support that's flipped resistance at 2 cents 30. So nothing's bullish or no reversals in play until you break 2 cents 30. Once that happens, once you break 2 cents 30, then you're looking at a reversal, and then we can start taking a look at the targets on the upside. But as of right now, none of that is valid until we break 2 cents 30, and you do have support at 1 cent 40. Once that does, and if that does breaks, then you are looking at a bigger move down, back down to the lows. Obviously, you're stuck in this horrible downtrend, so you're just making lower highs and lower lows. I mean, however you want to draw it. So we need to invalidate that at this point. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. I will keep you updated. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'll throw in another low market cap. FIS. Hold on, let me see what's going on outside. Hey, what's going on? It's trash day tomorrow, so I think people are putting out their trash, and she's like over here growling. She growls like a dog. You're not a dog, okay, Ange? You're not a dog. You're a cat. Fizz. Oh yeah, I remember you used to talk about that. Fizz, like Fizzle Diz. Dizzle Knob. Fizz. Yeah, this hasn't really done anything though, besides go to zero. So this thing's probably gonna get delisted. Yeah, Coinbase is gonna be like, hey guys, I'm looking out for your best interest. I know you guys have been buying on our platform for the past 4 years. We're gonna do you a solid and delist this coin. Delisted on Binance, started to flatten out. Yeah, there's no volume though. I guess it's 400K. Yeah, I guess. It's crazy how they listed it on Binance Futures and then it got delisted and it went to zero. How does that, like how? How does that even happen? Root. Yeah, another complete gamble coin. Yeah, 481,000 market cap. Oh, Pi's up. I guess my Pi coin's up 11%. Too bad I can't sell it. What's this? Meme Core. All right, let's check the next one. Oh, Siren and H. Humanity. Let's check Humanity. Taking a look at Humanity Protocol H on the live stream. So it does look like you did have a really nice move up on the shorter time frame. You did come down and almost retest the 618 as support. The targets on the upside as of right now are going to be... yeah, you don't want to make a lower high here and validate this downtrend that's forming. You do need to absolutely break 17 cents. Once that breaks, double top 25 cents in a breakout should send you back up to all-time high. What you really want to see is a continuation, validating this uptrend in this channel that's forming. And the next target on the upside is around $1.55. That's pretty much it. I will keep you updated. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll catch you in the next video. It's the lemon shirt. Nobody's here because of the lemon shirt. That's why. I think the cat outside is hungry. Hold on, buddy. I'm gonna go give him some food. Let's check the chat. Nothing on the chat. We have 6 bogeys in here. Wow, this is the bearish that it's been ever. So I'm really surprised. So bearish. Hey, buddy. What's going on? You hungry? Hey. Are you hungry? Lady. Okay, hold on. Not the lemon shirt, meow. I know, right? It's the shirt, man. Here, come feed my cats with me. Hey, buddies. Hey. All right, Angel, come on. Hey. Give me a second, let me wash my hands. I'm sure the 7 viewers can wait. I'm sure the whole 7 of you don't mind waiting for like 30 seconds so these cats can all get even more treats. They just got treats. Here you go. Here you go. Come on. Come on. That's funny. He's a funny cat. Come on. Right here. It's right here. You gotta come over here. Come on. There you go. Hey. Oh, wow. There you go. Oh, he finally jumped. Look at, what a good cat. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going down. Market's been brutal lately. I know, seriously, man. It is brutal. I'm scrapping by. Well, how's VVV still going down? That's crazy. Yeah, it was just at $8. I guess it did have a monster move, though. Yeah, wow. Had a monster move. Wow. Hope you're doing good. Yo, yeah, I'm doing good. I am doing good. My Elon's going up a little bit. So we're almost in our box for Elon. So we're just monitoring that. Let's see how high it can go. Alice says we were in the 60s for a month. Now we're in the 70s. I'm not complaining. Bro, we're about to hit 60 again. You're going to wake up tomorrow and we're going to be in 60,000. What is this? Chinese EV company signs $1 billion deal to acquire 10,000 BTC via equity. How much is 10,000 BTC? Hold on, let me do some math. So what's 10,000 times 71,000? Oh my god, there are no commas. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 710 million? That's it? Yeah, that's it. 710 million. That's it? Sorry, your perma-bear comments don't affect me anymore, dude. I'm not a perma-bear, man. I was bullish the entire way up. And then I'm going to be bearish the entire way down. And then we're going to have that slight glimmer of hope when finally we start breaking out. And then I'm going to be like, oh my God, we might be bullish again. Now's our time to buy. Or now's our time to start looking at our exit strategy. I can't be bullish. I can't be bullish when we're getting stuck here at resistance. What if we wake up tomorrow and BTC's at 95K? Well, if we're over 81,000, I'd say there's a possible reversal in play. But as long as we're under 81K, then this is all just a retracement for a lower high. And you're just validating this downtrend forming. So if we're at 95K, anything over 81,000, I'd be like, oh my God, I'm totally wrong. Though, for the very first time, unless Bitcoin does break 81 and then by May it basically goes below 60,000, then it's still possible. But I just wouldn't have seen that coming. Then that would be like the very first, it wouldn't even be the very first time that it ever happened because it still respected the Gaussian channel on the weekly. Everyone finally turned bearish. The bottom is in, boys and girls. I mean, I've been bearish since November of 2025. So I've been bearish since November of 2025. So I'll be bullish when I think we're going back up. And I'll be bullish when everyone's like, oh my God, we're going to zero. We're not at that point yet, in my opinion. At least someone is thinking sensibly. Damn! Aloe! We're on the same team. Like everyone finally turned bullish when BTC hit 126K, and that was the short-term top. That's true. Ugh. Sorry, I keep yawning. A good max pain move would be a wick back up to mid 85,000 range and stay there until the summer. And just range there until the summer. Yeah, that dude, imagine how high alts will go with that, man. That would be pretty good. I'll get my views back. Let me see if I could actually show you guys my channel views without giving up too much like details. I guess it's kind of redundant details, but it's so bad. It is so bad. Let me see. Analytics. I guess I can't show you. Yeah, 37K views in the last 28 days. Ouch. To put things into perspective, that used to be 100,000 a month when we were super bullish. BTC dominance is trickling up a bit, which I don't like. Oh yeah, a bit. Holy, what is that? 2%? Yeah, that's 2%. That's a big move. Yeah, I don't like that either. Cause dude, if this thing goes up and alts don't get some sort of relief rally, and we have another Bitcoin correction, that's gonna most altcoins are gonna make lower lows, including Dogelon. Yo, Floofin, welcome to the live stream. Thank you so much for coming by. I didn't see you last night, but then again, I did live stream at like 7:30 p.m. So I think that's like almost midnight your time. So it's okay, bro. YouTube already gets your firstborn the minute you sign up. It's in their terms and services. YouTube already gets your firstborn. You mean my cat? Because I don't have any kids. Yeah, dude, it was like 1,000, 1,000, 1,200, 2,500, 17, 1,000, 1,500, 1,800. This is every single daily views. And then Monday and Tuesday, so the second, March 2nd, Monday, March 3rd, Tuesday, my chart literally, it hasn't even been this low. It got 735 views and then 567 views. And then today it's back up to, Wednesday, because it always processes one day before. Yesterday it went back up to 1,300. So March 2nd and March 3rd were just flukes. So I don't know what the hell happened there, but yeah. Yeah. Anyways, yep, the cat. It's in their terms and services. Just FYI, if you don't think you're in control of your soul, then you're not. But that doesn't go for everybody else. You can't really drag everyone else into your reality. Obviously it's a joke, but I kind of took it like I just hear when people say that, I'm like, oh my God, like what's going on? Dino says XRP to the moon. Welcome, Dino. Welcome. What's XRP doing? Absolutely nothing. It's doing absolutely squats. Yeah, XRP is still, you do need to break $1.48 to $1.77. Silver Day says, very flippin', let's go. Very flippin' says, Days, did you watch the whole GEC live stream this morning? What if you have no soul? Exactly. The mere fact that you actually question whether or not you have one probably means that you're not in control of it. So I wouldn't worry about it. Damn, Dream Tanks. Damn, but see, I feel like it's that serious though, because it's like, oh, okay, whatever. You have free will. You can do whatever you want. Nobody's gonna save you, man. Now that live stream is right when I can't be on my phone at work. Damn, what's the GEC live stream? What am I missing? Yeah, our subs have also been just stagnant. Yeah, it's been 5 days and I'm at the same. I actually lost a subscriber. Oh my gosh. You missed out on me cooking in the chat today. Sometimes I go on their GEC. What is this? GEC? Gaseous Electronics Conference? What the heck? Anyways. Oh, Jelly Jelly. What the heck is this? Oh, look, this coin just came out and it's down 20%. Let me guess, is this a coin pay? This is, my bet is that this is a Coinbase coin. Oh my god, it's a Coinbase coin. How did I know? Look at that. It gets listed on Binance. It gets listed on all these exchanges. And the coin absolutely dumps on retail. Freaking brutal, man. 72 million market cap. It's only 19% diluted. Full diluted market cap is 363 million. You think they sell souls on Amazon? I need one for cheap. Bro, you already have one, man. You already have one. Damn, I'm talking about Amazon. I'm just checking my order right now. It's not even here yet. Oh, I'm the next stop. Let's go. I just checked right now. I'm the next stop. That's awesome. God Evening Crypto Show. Good Evening Crypto Show. Good Evening Crypto Show. On YouTube? Let me see. Good Evening Crypto. Oh, okay. Oh, this guy? Oh, watch me see like pooping on here.
Well, I want to thank the president and his top AI crypto advisors, David Sachs, Patrick Witt, for engaging over in the Senate and trying to find
Yeah, look at that, 47K views, so professional.
a legislative solution for them. You know, we did that last year in the House. We got 78 Democrats to join the Republicans, and we passed the Clarity Act and the Genius Act with substantial margins, bipartisan.
There's less than
and
5
in those
YouTubers
bills, we had
to.
the two principles. One, that stable coins would not pay a yield.
Watch we see very flooping like, yeah, this guy named Crypto Meow Analysis, I sometimes watch him. He sucks. Dude, that's
we view
funny,
it as
man.
just a new payment token to be used on a blockchain. It's not meant to be a bank
channel. I'm a mod there, and the only BTC maxi. Well,
it's not.
I'm a BTC maxi in here with you.
Meant to be
some. I mean, obviously, I don't have as much as you, nearly as much as you, but
something that it's not. And so on a bicameral, bipartisan basis, that's been in the Genius Act. So the Genius Act does not say that you can pay a yield on a dollar-backed stablecoin, whether you're issued by a bank or issued by a non-bank. So this issue of rewards comes up. And my best advice is that that's handled in the rulemaking by the Treasury, where a bank
to pay rewards if you're in quote unquote a membership program. Right? I mean, I spoke with Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong about the issue, and here's what he said recently. Watch this.
This stablecoin reward issue is very important, and I think
thing.
President Trump has showed incredible leadership here, creating a strong crypto agenda. We just got the Genius Act passed into law, which actually did enable
and pass it because they already know they have that. Because it's not his love for crypto. It's for the preservation of the...
That's cool. Interesting. I like that. They have like multiple people, multiple insights. That's pretty cool. Oh, look, Mantra is still going down. They let me troll and cook the chat. Floofin's a rock star. Yes, he is. He is a rock star. That channel is probably paid by Ripple and then buy BTC, and then they buy BTC. I hope so, man. I don't know, man. I mean, if XRP actually comes back down to 40 to 50 cents, which I think it will, but again, that's very bearish. So don't tell Aloe I think that, because Aloe is gonna be like, I'm a perma bear. I'm a perma bear. Yeah, I mean, if it comes down that low, man, like that's not bad. It's not bad to pick up a bag at that point. I think only BTC. I'm only gonna buy BTC and I keep saying that, and I'm gonna stick to it. So I'm not gonna deviate from my plan. But I mean, like, crap. It's just now delayed because remember we were like, hey, 60,000. I'm gonna buy at 58 because that's where the moving average is, and Floofin, you were like, yeah, good, go ahead, do it. And unfortunately, it never went down that low. So now I'm just stuck in my hands in my pocket because now I'm like, okay, I don't want it to go down. Trust me, I want it to go up because I make money and views on YouTube. So I'm like, okay, well, now I just have to wait, however long I have to wait. Because if Aloe is right and we get a bigger move up to 81,000 or even mid 85,000, then it's going to take a lot longer in consolidation for us to break down and get down to $58,000, which I think, again, that's the first mark to hit, around 58,000. But yeah, I don't know. No, Meow, I don't talk crap about you. We are bros. Let's go, Floofin. We will both make a lot of money. No, you're gonna make a lot of money with BTC. I'm gonna make like $5,000 to $10,000, but I'm gonna be okay with that. And you're gonna make, like, if you actually sell your house and buy BTC, what is that, like? Let's just say it goes to 200K. So you're looking at I think $500,000. Between 500 and 750K. Damn. That's crazy. If you just buy and hold BTC for 10 more years, yeah, exactly. You'll be set for life. I agree. You just really need to hold for 10 years. Hi. You can make more if you trade the cycles. Exactly. Because we know it's going to go up. We know it's going to go down. We know it's going to go up, and we know when the bear market starts. So, I agree. Like, we already know. It's happened every single time. I'm not going to fight the trend anymore. Oh, let's go. My cat wants to chill. Hey. Hey, what's going on? Why does he have a... You okay? There's something in your eye? Is something in your eye? His eye is watery. It's okay. Yeah, I agree. That's why there's no point. There was no point. Oh, I'm gonna buy altcoins, and altcoins are gonna go higher, and I'm gonna put that money into BTC, and then I'll have BTC. No, that's over with, man. There's no dream like that anymore. It's like, hey, I'm gonna put 20 grand into BTC. I'm gonna turn that 20 grand into 30 grand. I'm gonna sell, and I'm gonna buy. And then I'm gonna put 30 grand into BTC next bear market, and that 30 grand is gonna turn into 40 grand. And then I'm gonna do the same thing. It's just whatever it's gonna be. I don't know. Hopefully BTC has a major move up, and I don't even have the option to sell. And I just make millions. Anyways, you can make it if you, oh yeah, I read that. My outlook to be 2 million in 10 years. Oh wow. I think maybe $500K to $1 million in 10 years. Because think about it, next cycle, let's just say next cycle. Okay, so let's actually, look at this. So next cycle, let's just say we hit let's just say we top out at 200,000. I think that's conservative. Like 200,000 is another. Let's just say even 100% from the previous top. So 250. So let's just say 250 is the next cycle high. That won't be until 2027, 28. So that right there is going to be, let's just say 2025 top will be 4 years. It will be 3 to 4 years out. Let's just say 3 years. And then you have another 3-year bear market. That's 6 years. And then you have 1 year consolidation. That's 7. And then the next 3-year bull market. Yeah, it would be the next 3-year bull market. So yeah, I guess, yeah, I mean, another 100% on 250,000 is 500,000. Man, that's crazy. If you like $2 million, that's extremely exponential. I think every single time we could both agree that BTC top has shrunk. Okay, so every single time you've had these monster rallies, the top, the previous high, became less and less. It became less and less explosive. So from the following high, so you're looking at around 244% from 2018 top to 2022, and then back here from 2013 to 2018 it was 15x, and from 2011 to right here from 2011 to 13 was 38x. So it's been shrinking. So I don't know, man. Conservatively speaking, even 100%, you're looking at 500,000 in the next 10 years. But $2 million, I hope so for you. All you need to do is just hold one BTC. Bro, stop limiting yourself. LOL, anything is possible in this game. Get rich and help cats. I will. You want me to get rich and help cats? Oh, what a sweet cat. Look at this. Such a good cat. All he wants to do is just hang out all day. He just wants to hang out all day. And when you don't give him attention, he will fight for it. He will fight for attention. Let's see, 4-year cycle new fit. I'm talking CAD. I'm hoping to have 2 to 3 BTC by Q3 of this year, and I figure BTC will 10x in 10 years. Yeah. Damn, 10x. Yeah, I mean, from the current price, I could see that. What is that? That's like 670K, right? Yeah, it's like 700 and... Yeah, it's like 776,000. Yo, imagine BTC 700,000 You guys, just keep in mind, I started my channel back here, even though I don't have any videos up because I didn't really make videos when I started it. But we were looking at BTC back here in 2020. So if you look at my channel, I created my channel in 2020, but I didn't actually start until November of 2023. So, yeah, so I really didn't start live streaming and taking it serious until November of 2023. So we were literally looking at BTC between $7,000 and $35,000. Like, oh my gosh, man! If only we had known. And you know what's crazy, Floofin? Man. Oh, I gotta get this out of it. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry, buddy. You had something in your eye. I had to get it out. What was I saying? Where was I at? Yeah, we were looking at BTC at 35,000. So, yeah, you're right. In like 10 years, we're going to remember this moment and we're going to be like, hey, Floofin, do you remember when you used to come to the live streams and we were looking at BTC on the screen and it was around $70,000? Like, I don't know where I'm going to be in 10 years. Hopefully I'm still alive, but I'm just saying, like, hopefully we're still all alive. But yeah, so we're going to, in like 10 years from now, we're going to look back and be like, hey, Floofin, do you remember when you used to come to the live streams? And there's going to just be a bunch of new people like us that are like, oh man, we're getting into BTC now. And we're going to be like, hey, we used to talk about this back at $60,000 and BTC is trading at like $1 million. So that's insane just to think about that. Oh my gosh, man! This is one bed, one bath, $300,000 with HOA, bro. What a scam! What a freaking scam, dude! Housing market is horrible here. The housing market is horrible here. It's pretty much inevitable. I agree with you. Oh man. Hey, what are you doing? The package has been delivered. Sign 40%. This coin come out in May 2000. Yeah, it did. Okay, I guess we could make a video on this. Taking a look at Sign on the live stream. So from the high to the low, just keep in mind you did just break critical resistance at 4 cents 30. What we do not want to see is price action to fall below this area and ending up looking and closing with a wick. So you don't want this to end up closing with a wick over this area, because looking back, we're going to say that, hey, you came up, you smacked against resistance, and now you're coming back down. As long as the price action stays over 4 cents 30, you are looking at a retracement, which invalidates this downtrend. The next target on the upside would be 6 cents 70, and then a breakout should start sending you back up to previous highs, and then all-time highs up to 44 cents for sign. It did just come out, so just keep that in mind. I don't know really what this coin is. I know that it is not fully diluted. It's only 16% diluted. And keep in mind, you have to do your research on this tokenomics, because you can see that they're constantly releasing tokens into the circulation, which is inflationary, and that does increase selling pressure. So just definitely do your own research and be careful with buying this coin. But if you did get into this move, and if you did buy the low, then congratulations, because this is a monster move. You ended up moving up 111%. So if traders are taking profits now, congratulations. And holders, you need to stay over this area. If you don't, you will come back down, make a lower low. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll catch you in the next video. Hoofty, did you miss Jordan's live stream? Damn. Just came in here without saying hi. Just talking about someone else's freaking live stream, man. I'm just joking, Josh. Welcome to the live stream. Yes, I missed Jordan's live streams. What the heck happened to that guy? I don't know if he's gonna live soon, but I don't know if he will show his face. Wait, what happened? Wait. What? Like, you guys gotta now explain it since you're talking about it. He's only doing live on his Patreon that he started. Bro fell off hard. He captured, paid off, sold out. Wait, he captured, paid off, sold out? No, I'm just joking, Josh. But what did he do? So this, what? It was a YouTuber, and he live streams, but he only does like member live streams now or something. What the heck? Hey, what's going on? Yeah, low turnout today, but I mean, obviously nothing's really happening. Bitcoin's going down. All the other coins are going down, so there's really nothing to look at here. We have 14 votes in. 81,000 says that we are going to. 43% say that we're going back up to 81,000. So I believe Alo's vote is there, and then 57% of the chat is bearish, saying that we are going to go back down to $67,000. So let's keep looking. Let's keep fishing. Oh my God, Phi, let's go. Give me something to look at. Let's go. Yeah, it's not bad. Taking a look at Freyja. Phi, I think it's Phi, right? Yeah, Freyja. FAI. So, monster move. Congratulations to whoever bought this low. As far as the targets on the upside, just be careful. You are extremely overbought. I wonder if we have a chart for Coinbase. No, we don't. Or we do, but I'm not going to use it. Yeah, so in terms of Freyja, just keep in mind we are getting stuck here at resistance, and it is coinciding. The price action is getting rejected at the 200-day moving average. Not saying that this can't go any higher, because once you break out of this area of resistance, the next target on the upside is 1 cent 90, which that itself is a monster move. But Freyja just did a 300% move. So again, if you're buying it now, just be careful, because you are buying it when it's extremely overbought. And typically this is where traders take profits. So Traders like to buy at lows and when it's extremely oversold, and accumulate and then sell when prices pump, especially 300%. So just be careful. Do your own research. Do your own research. None of this is financial advice. It is just my opinion. This is all just for entertainment purposes. I will keep you updated, and thank you so much for your support. And I'll catch you in the next video. Oh my gosh. I did not mean to, like, I thought I was ending the live stream. Man, I need to, like, sleep because I'm pretty tired. I am pretty tired. Tired of this bearishness. Alright, let's see. Jordan Cameron was a cool, fun live streamer. He was funny as heck, but now he just regurgitates the same narrative he's on. No, that's a scam. Man. So what, I'm not funny? No, I'm just joking. I'm not trying to be funny, so... I'm just joking. Anchor. Oh my gosh, I told my friend to buy Anchor. I'm so happy he didn't when it first got listed on Coinbase. Remember when it was at like 12 cents? Do you guys remember when they listed Anchor and it hit 12 cents on Coinbase? Oh my gosh. Yeah, oh my god, it hit 21 cents, man. Wow. This thing came all the way back down. But that's the thing. At least it's not all the way down at the all-time low. I mean, technically, whoever bought this low is still up 500%. So, I appreciate your lives, Meow. Yo, I appreciate your lives, too. I appreciate you saying that. So, thank you so much for that, man. And you're always here, so I do appreciate that. You do support the channel, so you being here and engaging and then just like giving me stuff to look at, that's helping me. So I hope Triple T is okay, but you know, sometimes you got people like Triple T coming in and they do good, and you know, I wish they would stay, but they give really good coins and we start making videos on them, and on the videos I was making like $15 because I was getting so many views, like 1,800, 2,000 views, like that's $15 to $20. So I was consistently making that every single time we were live streaming, and I was clipping videos and posting it. So obviously it's died down now. Wait, what happened to what was VDR? No, not, it wasn't VD, it was oil, USOR. Yeah, this one. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look, it looks like it's back. I should probably make a video on this right now. Make another $15, but yeah, I don't know how many people are looking at this right now. Yeah. Anyway, I appreciate you guys a lot, so thank you so much. Aloe says, Perpetual back to green on the daily talk now. Double top boy. Hold on, let me see. I'll find something bearish. I was going to buy this card for my deck, for my commander deck, but it was like $80. And I was like, oh, I'm not going to buy it. But it's really strong. Anyone play commander? No? Nobody plays commander? Okay. Let's see. Perpetual protocol. Perpetual protocol. It's not green. Hey. I mean, dude, it's still I hope it goes up. I hope it goes to 9 cents for you. I'll find something bearish. I'm not a perma bear, I'm not a perma bear. But dude, come on. Why are you giving me a hard time when I'm looking at a coin that looks like this? How am I not supposed to be a perma bear? Are you saying that every single one of these moves that you ended up making a lower high, I was supposed to say, oh my god, it's bullish. Oh my god, it's bullish. Unfortunately, every single time we got smacked back down. So until we start seeing some sort of uptrend forming and some sort of big moves, then it's just what, you know, an ace is an ace. You just gotta call it what it is. So it's still stuck in this downtrend. Anyways, I think, yeah, I mean, we had a very we peaked at 14 viewers tonight, so we got 17 votes in. Wow. We're gonna call it here. This is where you take chances. That's true, but I'm just done taking. I'm done taking chances because, OXT, like, dude, you should buy OXT then. Like, what? Buy this then. Take a chance on this, because, like, why? If you're buying perp, then you're thinking, oh my god, like, OXT is about to have this monster move up, right? So I would just buy OXT if I were you, because it hasn't even had its move up yet. But just OXT. Sorry, just BTC. Just BTC for us. So just to recap, guys, we are getting rejected at 72,000. Keep in mind, if we do break this area of resistance, 81,000 is the next target on the upside. That's huge. If it doesn't, we're cooked. We're coming back down to 60,000. We're going to be in the 60,000s. I don't mean to be a perma bear, but that's just basically, those are the targets. I don't make them up. Yeah, no more crypto, buy stocks. Bro, stocks are about to capitulate, man. We're about to enter the biggest bear market ever. I know that sounds very bearish, and fair enough. You could call me a perma bear, but no way, man. Right now, cash is king until we get some sort of bottom and correction with SPY. Any person that's you look at charts, dude. You look at the chart and you could, what, you think that's going to go up forever without any sort of like consolidation or capitulation? No, I want to buy at the perfect time, and I think cash is going to be king. The only way to make money in alts is to be bearish. So buy Bitcoin and hold it. Exactly, because we know that even if you buy Bitcoin at 71,000, in the next 3 years, it's going to be higher than 73,000 or 71,000, whatever I said. So, like, it's funny. It doesn't really matter. Me, I'm broke, so I need to wait until it goes lower so I could get more. Some cases, some people have houses. Some people have houses they can just sell and put into BTC. But yeah, some people have more. It's all relative. So for me, the way I want to play it is I want to try to buy when we're in the red, when the Gaussian channel is in the red, because it happens every single time. So I know at some point we are going to be red. If we hit red starting 71,000, so be it. That's when I'll start buying. But we're not red yet, so I have to see where it closes this week. When Binance delists OXT, I'll buy it. It falls like another 30%. I'll have money when perp hits 15 cents. 15 cents, man. First targets on the upside is 9 cents, 26, and then 25 cents. So is there a reason why you're selling it for 15 cents? Is that a moving average or something? Let me see. The 200-day moving average? Yeah, because that other coin just came up to its 200-day moving average. So, what was it, sign or whatever? Yeah, that's not a bad area to take profits. Not bad. Oh, war's up 53%. Wow. Yeah, I gotta make some videos tonight. Got to capitalize on this move. But anyway, I think we are going to call it here. So just remember, none of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion, and this is all just for entertainment purposes and nothing more. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate all the super chats, the members, the subscribers. So thank you so much for coming by. I really do appreciate all of your support. We will be live again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I hope to see everybody in tomorrow's live stream. If not, no worries. Have a great night. Enjoy the rest of your night. And have a great day tomorrow. Happy Friday. And hopefully I see you guys tomorrow. So, yeah,